This segment of CoastLife is sponsored by Beebe Healthcare.
Well, CoastLife, a number of times here on the couch, we've discussed how important it is to take care of your cardiovascular health, and who better to hear it from than some of our friends at Beebe Healthcare. That's why we're joined today by Dr. Amin, an interventional cardiologist with Beebe Healthcare. So first of all, welcome, doctor.
Thank you.
Yeah, we're glad to have you here. First of all, just kind of introduce yourself a little bit to our viewers if they haven't had a chance to meet you yet, and sort of how you got interested in cardiology and cardiovascular health.
Thank you. So my name is Zaid Amin. I'm a new interventional cardiologist with Beebe Cardiology in Lewis. I'm originally from Jordan. I completed my medical school back home, and then I moved to the US, where I did my internal medicine residency training and cardiology fellowship training in New Jersey. And then I moved to Arizona, where I did my interventional cardiology training at the University of Arizona in Phoenix.
Well, we're happy to have you here in our coastal community.
Thank you.
How did you get kind of interested in this particular field of study? What is it about, taking care of people's cardiovascular health that you're like, this is what I want to do?
So basically, during my training, when I did my internal medicine training, I got interested in cardiology, because in cardiology, especially in interventional cardiology, you can see the direct impact of procedures on the patient's life. So you get a patient with a heart attack, you go in, you open up the blocked artery, and then you see this direct impact on the patient. So this is what got me interested about cardiology.
Yeah, and I mean, obviously, we want to prevent heart attacks in the first place. So what are maybe the sorts of things that people need to kind of be on the watch for? Maybe something doesn't quite seem right, it's not adding up quite right in the body, and it's time to maybe, make an appointment with a cardiologist.
So patients should consider seeing a cardiologist if they experience symptoms like chest pain, shortness of breath, any dizziness, fainting, or palpitations. Even if the symptoms are mild, they should not be ignored, and especially if they are new or getting worse.
Yeah.
Also, patients with risk factors such as high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, smoking history, or those with a strong family history of heart disease should also be evaluated early.
Yeah, so if somebody maybe is experiencing new symptoms, like you said, or maybe they just need to check in with you, how should they go about booking an appointment with you? So
if anyone would like to get evaluated or have any concerns about their heart health, they can call my office at Beebe Cardiology in Lewis, and they can schedule an appointment. And at this time, we actually are able to get patients in quickly.
Yeah, fantastic. Well, a good reminder for everybody, again, as the weather gets nicer, it maybe is a good idea to go outside, take a little walk when and where you can, and because we want you here for a long time in our coastal community. Well, Dr. Amin, thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.
Of course. We do have more Coast Life coming your way, though, that you don't want to miss.